Hello and welcome to littleGasthaus.
So here we got the boards, 5 pieces. Thickness is 10 millimeters. The front door and the top part of it. Then we got the back side and the lower side on the right and a higher left side. Then we get the reels for the pans and the rags, 6 long ones and 4 shorts. Then we got the front parts, the door and the top, and the drawings are in the centimeters, not in inches, sorry for that. You have to look it up. So let's put it together.
I'm going to throw them together, put them on the table upside down because they're not all the same length. But from the top, they are you got the same height. Okay. First I put in 2 screws. Well, actually I had them together before just to make sure everything fits for the video. I put in first only 2 screws, so that was the front side. See, it's the flat, and now we got the other side. This is the long. Okay, here you can see the different heights. So this is up. There are 2 centimeters on the top. Hold on, I gotta turn it over. Maybe. See the door will not close all the time, so we have to take care of that later. What we have to take care of is, let's see, how can I show you? The aluminum rails should be at the same height, so you can get in the racks correctly, so there's not coming smoke too much through when you smoke or meat smoke. Here you can see the corner. So we're still upside down. You might wonder why there are so many holes in there. You see on top here, I tried different things, so don't worry about that. I got the correct holes in the plan, so you don't need to worry about them. Okay. See the corner here and there. It's on purpose, so a little bit of the smoke comes out, so it fills the space all the way, and we can move the pan to get more space where the smoke can come out. I will show you that later. It's important to get this leveled so the pan is stable on the rails. Okay, I got some racks here. Or this is a pretty new one. Oops. This is a pretty new one. No, it's not working on this one. Okay. So, and then I got, well actually this one goes in the inside. I got a used one, but I was testing. I had that outside sitting for a couple of weeks. I left it out in the rain, and it sort of started rusting. I'm not sure why, if it's the temperature or if it's something in the charcoal what makes the problem. You should never leave it like that outside. If you clean it, there shouldn't be any problems. Okay, and here's the rail. You can put it on like it is. Actually, I also got a deeper one or there are deeper ones. So if you like that more, and there are gonna be reels on the side, so you can have different elevation, different heights, and so it's not gonna burn. The good thing, well, no, it's not. It's very it's compatible to other sizes. This is a half, so you got two to get the same wide as the big one. Let me take that out. Let's get better see. What I want to show. Okay, you can see that's fits right in. I have to take care of the flap, the door. And if you see, you might see it. It's the space. The door is closed. The space where the smoke and some air comes to the next level. Now you close it, so you got more temperature on the bottom. And well, actually these are more dripping pans. They're going more. There are going more screws in there in the side walls. That's kind of hard to show. So you can put the pans in, and the smoke still will go up and smoke the meat. This will go in there. So you got the dripping pan. So there's still some heat from the bottom coals, but heat the whole space. And if you want more, you just pull it out. Or what you can do, put the small one in there and use the other space for the heat from the bottom. So you got a lot of possibilities to change whatever you like. Different types. Can go like this. whatever you prefer. Try different levels. I mean, every oven, every surrounding is different. Different outside temperatures make a lot of difference. So I come back when I put the rest of the screws in there, and I show you what I got.